back to the channel, guys. We are here live. Today we're going to be doing some small things to the NA, you guys can see here. We really are excited to really bring you guys more content for both of these cars. We're loving the way they're coming out. We just only did extended wheel studs and tires so far. You know, on the NA we did a steering wheel, but so far we're loving the way it's coming out. It's looking great. The garage is, you know, starting to look how we want it to look. We're putting the phone mount. It's supposed to sit the phone on this mount here. So we got this phone mount off of eBay. It's a really great phone mount, I think. It's nice. It's like a little bendable one. You can move it around if you need to. And I got this one for the Miata because when I'm rolling, I realize like when I'm charging my phone that my fucking phone just like sits over. It'll just sit over here and like just lay around. And you know, in the Miata, there's really no comfortable space to like put your phone or anything. So we got this nice, nifty phone mount, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks shortly. See, as you guys can see, with the phone on there, boom, how it's sitting. Got the steering wheel right next to the phone. You can see when your messages come in, ping messages. I also got a radio that I'm gonna be putting in. That's gonna be in another video. I want you guys to see that as well. Just for the people who want to see it be put on. Boom. It stays. If you guys are wondering what's that on my screen, it's my cover art that my girl made me. Pretty nifty. So now that we have the phone mount, you guys just seen the phone mount put in. I love it. It was actually really cheap. It was a deal on eBay. They gave me a $5 off deal. This cost $6.96. So I only ended up paying like $1 or something for the phone mount, which is a blessing. So shout out to eBay for the plug. Now I'm gonna show you guys these lights. My car has no interior lights right now and it's very depressing. So what I decided to do was I decided to go to eBay, order some interior lights. I wanted to bring some, you know, a vibe to my car. So order some interior lights. I'm gonna show you those shortly. So we have the box open. It came with a, it's an app to run the lights inside the car. So this is pretty dope. It's a smart music controller Bluetooth connection tutorial. Came with some little adapter. And it even has this like little ejectocito red button right here. We loving it. So got that. And then we have the light strips. So this should bring a little bit of, you know, a little bit of vibe to the inside of the interior because we like vibe. So honestly, as y'all see, this shit look crazy already. Just to see the little lights light up, boom. And then I can control it with my other phone here. So we can play with the colors. Ooh.
Crazy.
Ooh, we got options. If she want to get in the car and she want to go, you know, let me just go to red. Okay, don't worry about it, little lady. I got you. Ooh. Let me see. Ooh, I like that. It comes with a few options on here, as you guys can see as well. Oh, yes. I like that. You could turn, if you just want to chill, you don't want it so bright on you, you just want to keep it like low key, but still style on them. Bow. Bust down. If you don't want to bust down on this day, no bust down. Just chilling. You in a different vibe. But I like to bust down 24/7, just saying. Yeah, we're going to give y'all a real preview.
Oh, shit.
Ooh. Oh my God.
Crazy
It's
right
different.
Like
it's different. Yes, indeed.
oh, it look crazy in here.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. And then we just twist it this way.
Much cleaner, yeah. This is gonna be the cleanest install ever.
So we got a we'll show you guys, well, you guys just seen the like us messing around with the lights, playing around with it a little bit. So now what I'm gonna do is I need to take apart the center console to run the wires through the center console and get all the lighting set up and in position for you guys so we can get it all, you know, in daily driver position mode. As you guys can see, it's a real nasty, real nasty. We gotta clean that up. Hit it with that.
Always every day. Like, oh, that's just,
PhD wiring. So we're in the car, middle of the install. We have the lights. Boom, 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 boom. We have them installed, so we just came to show you guys that they are installed. They do look amazing. Shout out to Jay Fresh. He held it down on the lighting. Next we gotta do the radio eventually soon, but I'm loving the lights for now. Lights are hot, lights are hot. We got colors too, if you guys didn't know. Show them some color real quick. Y'all wanna see some color? Oh, we got options. You see the color game?
That's crazy.
Wow. You're like, wow, he got the color game? Oh, he got different colors. His spectrum is different. He just...
Game changer.
So you know we back.
Guys, we found a new mode, and it's hot.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Show him. Oh man.
Oh,
It's a vibe. It is a vibe.
oh, that's crazy.
Are you seeing it right now?
Yeah, we like this. Oh my god.
Oh, we got a vibe.
It's different.
So you mean to tell me when I'm driving I can go fast?
Feel different.
This is the Fast and the Furious vibe. I need this. Yeah. So, you guys just seen the light install. You guys just seen us put the phone mount in. This was a small, short video. Just wanted to get something out for you guys so you guys have something to watch. We do have a new car coming to the channel. In the next video, you will see what car that is. I did order a car from Texas. It will be here Saturday. I'll get this video out. When you're watching it, it'll be Friday. So the car will be here a day after you watch this video. We're gonna get a new video out of what car we got. The Miata, of course, looking great. We got the new lights in the Miata. I'm loving the lights. I'm telling y'all right now, I love the lights. They look, still, you know, want to get a lot of stuff for the Miata. We need some more suspension parts. Obviously, I did order a kit. I'm not gonna tell you which kit I ordered, but I ordered a body kit for the car. We're taking this shit full drift. We're gonna eventually build the motor. We got a lot of plans for this car, so you guys stay tuned. Hit that like button, drop a comment, and please subscribe. You know, subscribing always helps the channel. We keep more videos coming for y'all. We're out. Oh yeah. Okay. This is the blink blink.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
I like that.
It's crazy. Hit it with the blue. Hold up. Oh. Just cool down. Yeah. We can slow it down a little bit. You know, real quick. It's gonna fade out. Yeah.